I know you have an interesting sense of style.
Yeah.
I think I've heard you describe it as hippie rocker.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about that lifestyle and about, just your fashion sense.
It takes a lot of accessorizing. You gotta have like things other than just t-shirts and jeans. You gotta have crazy socks, you gotta have scarves, you gotta have hats, you gotta have hoodies, you gotta have sweatshirts, you gotta have jackets. I don't know if I said that already. Jewelry, like rings and stuff like that. So you gotta really, really know yourself and just pay attention, man. And like, it's nothing that happens overnight. For me, like, I always dressed a little bit crazy, especially when I was a kid. And then, when you get in like high school, you kind of like try to blend in and be like everybody else, because like, you don't want to do anything too different to like scare people. But I feel like I'm at the point now, I'm an adult, I have a fiance who accepts me for me, she loves how I dress. So I can really just be, fully express myself through my clothes. And, with me dyeing my hair last year, that was really crazy for a lot of people. But even me being covered in tattoos, that's like another, thing that's an expression of mine. So just my clothes and my accessories is the next step.